everybody. I am Shivani, and you are tuned into the Moonpreneur podcast, the show where we spotlight creators, a young generation of leaders and trailblazers brimming with bright ideas. I will be continuing with Harshit, the creator of LCD Countdown. Welcome to the podcast, Harshit, and it's a pleasure to have you here. How have you been?
I've been doing good. How are you?
Oh, I am good too, and that's wonderful to hear. I'm so excited to dive into this conversation with you. So, first thing first, countdown is not something like new to us, and we have heard it, seen it in movies, and even used it. So, what inspired you to take something common and give it a tech twist?
When I was younger, I used to use an old phone for checking how long it took me to solve math problems. I actually wanted to make my own version of that, so I made this project.
Oh, that's such a creative way to look at it. I mean, it's amazing how you took something familiar and made it so innovative. So, once you decided what to experiment with, how did you move forward? Like, what was your first step towards turning your idea into a project?
Okay, my first step was I needed to figure out how to use the libraries in Arduino Uno, the LCD library mainly. Then I needed to figure out how to make it so that when you press a button, the LCD would start counting down from 10 seconds. Those were the two
Oh,
major steps for figuring it out.
okay. Oh, wow. Like taking that first step is always the hardest part, and you did it so thoughtfully. So, did you face any difficulty while turning your idea into reality?
Yes, one point the text wasn't coming out right, so I had to fix that.
Oh,
And then
okay.
another time the button wasn't working, so it would just not reset the variable. I mean, like the counter would not reset every time you press the button, so that was another problem I faced. But I fixed it
Oh.
by changing lines in the code.
Mm-hmm. I mean, it's really inspiring to hear how you tackle those challenges. Every project has its ups and downs, and you like handled it like a pro. So, have you always been into like technology, or is your interest a new passion that started with this project?
I mean, for me, I'm used to electrical, but I'm not used to. I mean, coding started with this project.
Hey, that's so cool. Like whether it's a long time passion or something new, it's like it's clear that you have a real knack for technology. So, what components did you use for this project?
Okay, I use a LCD, a push button, and the Arduino Uno, and the
Okay,
Arduino Uno
nice.
IDE.
Okay, it's amazing how all those little parts came to bear together to create something so useful. And I would also want to know like why did you choose Arduino Uno and LCD for this project?
I chose Arduino Uno because it was easy to use and code, and also I used the LCD because I want to learn how to use libraries.
Okay, makes perfect sense. Like choosing the right tools is such an important part of the great project, right? So,
Right.
how did you see your LCD countdown being applied in the real world?
Okay. Let's see. I believe it could be used for like checking how long it takes for you to complete something, like say writing down a sentence or a story or answering a problem. It could also
Mhm.
be used to like check how long you have till something happens, like how long till you have to leave or something like that.
Okay, that's a brilliant way to think about it, and your project can really make a difference in so many areas. Like, also, I want to know like what features would you like to add to your project in the future, maybe?
In the future, I hope I can add more buttons so then you can like add more time manually instead of having to go into the code and change it. And also like another button to like go back, like to reduce the amount of time you have in the
Mm-hmm.
countdown. So those are the two main things I'm hoping to add. Also, I'm hoping to add a buzzer so that you'll hear the noise once it reaches the end.
That's perfect. Those ideas sound super exciting. I can already imagine how amazing your upgraded version will be. So, Harshit, you can call your parents. I just have one question for them. If Hello, hi, and welcome to the podcast. So, I just have one question for you, and that is to for you to share the role you have played in supporting your child's project, and we would wish to know that how does it feel to see him creating something so innovative.
Oh, yeah, sure. Actually, Harshit initially attended I think, the demo program. So, what the institute sent out the invitation. So, initially it was planned in-person session, but later it turned into online. But still, we thought let Harshit to join and see whether he likes it or not. Based on the feedback, we thought of proceeding further. So, after attending the few sessions, then he said like he really interested, and also we got a chance to see how the things are going around. So it was pretty interesting, and also the way it was explained to the students was pretty connected to the real time, and they were able to connect like what they are doing in hands-on, like how it is being applied in the real time. So it was like pretty amazing, and the classes were very interesting. And Harshit don't want to take a single day leave. I think he did not have taken a single day off for this session. So even though he was sick, still he can able to join. He want to join this call. And the things were like very interesting. The overall outcome was very positive for us, and Harshit is still exploring more and more apart from the given exercises. So it's very impressive, and the output is very positive for us as well as for him. Yeah, thank you so much for
Yeah.
all the exciting things.
Yeah, and that's wonderful to hear. I mean, it's so great when parents are involved and are supportive of their kids' creativity. I mean, it must have been rewarding to see Harshit take ownership of such an innovative project, and it really shows how much encouragement can make a difference. So it was wonderful chatting with you, Harshit, and thank you for such an insightful conversation. We're excited to see where your journey takes you next. And a big thanks to our wonderful audience for watching this episode and supporting our young creators. Watch the space for more such exciting conversation with young innovators. And if you are curious as Harshit and have a big idea, a project, or a prototype, don't keep it to yourself. Register for Moon Camping Show and Tell. You could potentially be the next person to grace our stage. Well, Harshit and Harshit's dad, this has been such an amazing conversation. Thank you so much for sharing your story with us today. It was a pleasure having you on board and here on podcast. So, see you next time.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.